the Ghostmaker by Tanya Shatseva in 30x40cm rounds, special treatment version 1, sprinkles alexandrite on the blue smoke coming out from her mouth, together with some of the same color blue in the background. So sprinkle it in those same color blue areas. Ghostmaker by Tanya Shatseva in 30x40cm round, special treatment version 2 now adds dark forest crystals that we have sprinkled on the black areas on the painting, and this would be mainly the shadow on her face. Tanya Shatseva's The Ghostmaker in 30x40cm round, special treatment version 3 now adds titanium diamonds that we have sprinkled on the purple areas in the background. So we've got some right over here, and then over here, as well as over here. So sprinkle it in the purple areas in the background and you get this glimmering effect for the painting.